So let's take a look on how to install VM Player as well as a Ubuntu Linux OS on your PC. So you're going to need to download the ISO file for Ubuntu. I'm using 16.04, so I'm going to have the link in the description. This is a donation if you want to donate anything. For now, I'm just going to download the ISO. It should start any second. And just like so, we're downloading that ISO image. Over to VMware, you need to go to the VMware website, which is www.vmware.com. Go over to Downloads, and then you want to choose Workstation Player, and then you're going to download and install VMware Workstation Player for Windows right here. This is a free software if you're using it for non-commercial use. Once the ISO image is downloaded, I'm going to install VM Player as well. I'm going to hit on create a new virtual machine. I'm going to say the installer disk image file, and I'm going to choose and browse for the path of the ISO machine that I just downloaded. I'm going to press next. Here you would write your full name, your username, and your password. Hit next. I'm going to leave the machine name as it is. Here you can change the machine location. I'm going to choose for it to be inside my portable hard disk, just like so. Hit next. Here you're going to specify the disk capacity. I'm going to go only with 10 gigabytes, and I'm going to store it in a single file. Hit next. This is a summary of everything we've selected, as well as the memory. It's going to auto select that, but 1 gigabyte is good enough. And I'm going to leave this take power on this virtual machine after creation. And hit finish. This is going to start up the ISO file. And as you can see, it will begin right away the Ubuntu installation, which is a very simple wizard to follow. The setup will start automatically and run you through all the steps, and once that's done, you're going to be able to use your Ubuntu version to follow along during every lesson. Once Ubuntu is finished installing, you'll get this login screen, and you will input your password, hit enter, and now you have a working Linux operating system that you can use during this course. If you want to get to the terminal, you would click right here and simply write terminal and select the terminal.